If you use Nix before, you know that you can install multiple versions of the same package on the system at the same time. Gentoo sort of has a thing like that. It's not as flexible, but it's called slots. If you've been on the Gentoo packages site and you've seen this little like colon here, and then it has like a version number. It could be the exact same as the version number. It could be like maybe just this part right there. Yeah, it's basically the slot of the package right here. Whenever there's the colon and then a version number, there, even when you hover it there, slot equals, and it tells you that that's the slot version, or the name, I guess, of the slot. I guess it should be called a name because I think it's literally just a string. Yeah, you can install multiple versions of the same package right here in Rust bin. I mean, I'm just using it as an example here, but if I have 1.94.0 installed, and say I want to install 1.93.1, I would just emerge, and I want to one-shot this because I don't want to add it to my world set. So I just want rust -bin, and then how you install it is just exactly how it shows on this right here on Gentoo packages site. It's just colon and then 1.93.1, and then you just do that. Now you can see it'll show NS for new slot, and it shows the version right here, and then right here is our installed versions as well. So we're gonna go ahead and merge this, and once that's emerged, I think the select is what you use to select. So if we list here, okay, it doesn't set the an older version to the default at all. It just does the highest, I guess. But if you do install a version that is higher than what's currently selected, it will select that as the default. So if I do a rust C here, you should see, yeah, there's two different versions of it. So it gives you each binary from each package, each version of it. So I have this version and that version, but whatever the default one, just rust C, is whatever is selected in eSelect. So if I wanted to eSelect, here, let's do this. Rust C -- version. Right now it's 1.94. And now if I eSelect rust, and then it goes by the number. So you do set, and then I want 1 to be it. Okay, and then let's do rust C version again. Now it's the other version because I just selected that as the default. But keep in mind, you can still use the other version. You just need to specify its full binary path here. Boom. So I can use this still. So version, and then there's that version as well. Okay, because I use one shot, that slot is not in my world set. So just for example here, I'm going to no replace rust -bin, and then the slot, which was 193.1. This will prompt me to add it to my world set, even though I already have it installed. So boom, I have it there. So now if I do a dep clean, this is unrelated, but yeah, it's not in here in my dep clean. So yeah, it's good. So I just wanted to demonstrate. Yeah, now it's in my world set. If you want to uninstall a specific slot, if it's in your world set or anything, then you just do it like you would a normal package. You deselect it. So deselect, and now it's removed from my world's favorite file, my world set. So when the next dep clean I do, it will clean it up from the system. And as you can see here, there's the rust bin that I need to clean. The rest is unrelated, but yeah, there it is. There's the version that's going to clean, and then it'll clean it out, and then, yep, there we go. I mean, that's pretty much it. All you need to do is just emerge, and then the name of it, and then the colon, of course, and then the version or the name of the slot itself. The kernel also uses the same system, so that's why you see these on the kernel as well, and it's how you're able to install multiple versions of the kernel and use them.